folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today we're doing a general product overview on the DS Comfort Max 75. So that's going to be this unit right here. This is a nice model because it's got a nice large glass door, which gives you a nice big viewing area. This is going to be a convection style stove, so no electricity to operate. You can see the air outlets located on the top as well as the sides of the stove. That is how the heat naturally rises up and convects out of the unit. Inside the firebox, you do have a nice gasketed door, so the unit is going to be completely airtight. This is a coal burning model, so your air inlet is going to be located on the bottom because to light a coal fire, you must have combustion air coming in from underneath the firebox. So it does come standard with a cast iron roller plate in the bottom, as well as this plate if you were to burn wood in the unit. Firebox is going to have fire brick lining on both sides and the rear of the stove. The fire brick does extend from the bottom all the way to the top of the firebox. Ash pan is located directly below the unit. Nice, easy access, easy clean out. Now, the Comfort Max does have 3 air tubes that run horizontally across the top of the firebox. It does have an air wash design as well, so your glass will burn nice and clean. Even if you were burning wood in there, you're still going to get a nice clean burn on the glass. This is going to be a top vent unit, and it does take a 6-inch flue. So I really hope that you guys find these product overviews helpful. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all of our latest updates. Have a wonderful day, and thank y'all for watching.